had 200 rand. I have 10 rand left. Yeah, anyways, so I got this from Discount. Altogether, this was a lot of money, but okay. So we got these two. We got lip balms. We got Vaselinas. This was 11 rand. This tiny bogus thing was 8 rand. I should have bought it at MQ. I've never been so disappointed in myself. I'll leave it, okay? It's a steal. But I could have gotten a berry flavor one. You said this one smelled like nothing. Anyways, I also got this from Discount. It is somehow yellow. I don't know why it's yellow. I'm kind of confused here, but it is yellow. It was 4 rand, so it's fine. It's gonna be for my bag. Then from BBQ, I got Bah. If you're a K-pop fan, you understand. I'm super shy. Where's the dance worship set? Okay. Value. This is from Value. Everything that I'm showing now is from Value. This is 11 rand. So this is part of my galentines because I'm part of I'm the one who's in charge of decoration, so I got that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it because I did spend money. This was 12 rand. Scented candles was 11 rand. This got these gift bags for 8 rand. Paper towels, tissues, whatever fancy schmancy word you want to use. These were 20 rand. And then I got 2. So one is bigger than the other, naturally. One is paper, one is material. I actually want to see how big this is. So we're going to take it out together, right? Oh, it's like a... I don't know what kind of... This is the 20 rand one. I just spent money on the same thing. 5 rand more. I'm so disgusted right now. Anyways, guys, that's it. Oh. Spent. This is not my money though.